even read it in my script. But when I thought it wasn't fair, I felt it on my lips to let go. I don't wanna be the one, I think you already know. Oh, the feeling of going down way too deep and holding on so you won't lose your feet. Sometimes you just gotta trust, you gotta take that leap and let go. You gotta let go. I've got a feeling, by your look, you're through. Oh no, what you're revealing, I'll sit and pray and I will pull through. Oh yeah, yeah. When you let go of all you've known, the butterflies fly and you will see the rainbows and all the love, everything will be shown. So let go, let go. The touch of grass, the air, the sun, it will rise. You will see so clear, it'll bring tears to your eyes. Baby, everything will be alright. Just let go. You gotta let go. I've got a feeling right now, you feel it too. Oh, this little song might be the one that will tell us what to do. These tears are overflowing and never knowing why. All these years we've been hurting. We have to look inside and try to let go.